Welcome back to Unboxed. In today's short video, I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of the TRD 3-inch lift kit for the 22 and up Toyota Tundra. Now this is a Toyota OEM product, and I would say that this is going to be one of the most comprehensive and complete lift kits on the market for the 3rd gen Toyota Tundras. Now this is a 3-inch lift kit. On the front, you are going to get a 3-inch lift. In the rear, we are going to get 2 inches of lift. Now this overall kit with all of these components will give you an additional 2.6 inches of ground clearance, which is amazing. I did say that this is one of the most complete and comprehensive kits, and as you guys can see on this table, this comes with everything you may need for the installation. I would say that this is one of the kits that if you are a backyard mechanic, you can do it yourself. However, generally with something like this, unless you do have, I would say, an additional, 8 hours to 10 hours to spare for the installation, I'd probably take this, to a mechanic to get this installed. I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown of what's included with the kit. Starting at the front, as you guys can see here, we do have these Bilstein tuned shocks. Now these to me do look like Bilstein 5100s, along with lift springs for the front, so this will give you 3 inches of lift. In the rear, you also have the Bilstein tuned TRD rear shocks, which is great. We're getting the rear lift in the rear using these spacers right here. So you will retain your OEM rear springs, so that's pretty cool. On the front, we are getting TRD upper control arms. Now, these are TRD upper control arms, however, they are manufactured by Roush, which is also great. For the front, you are also receiving front extended axles. Now these are extremely popular for, I would say, 99% of aftermarket lift kits. So if you are running a 3-inch lift kit on your 22 and up Toyota Tundra, you want to run either extended axles or a diff drop kit, which we both have available. So this does come with the TRD extended axles. We do come with upgraded bump stops. We do receive these sway bar relocation mounts because we are lifting the truck. We have brake lines, so extended brake lines for both the front and the rear. We have some end links here. Also, I'm not gonna go through all of this here, but we've got all your nuts, bolts, washers, pretty much all sorts of hardware to make this a seamless installation. Now with this kit, you are going to be receiving an additional 5 degrees of approach angle, 1 degree of departure angle, and I would say one of the largest benefits, in my opinion, aside from this being a pretty badass setup, is that with this kit you are going to be retaining your OEM warranty on your truck, and also this suspension kit does also carry a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty as well, which is a huge benefit. Anyway, that's all the time we have for you today on this kit. Let me know what you think about this kit itself. Are you going to be running this kit or an aftermarket one? Well, this is the aftermarket one. Let me know what kit you're going to be running on your 3rd gen Toyota Tundra. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see ya.